guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be going to Ikea because we need to kind of organize this office a little bit. I sort of picked it up yesterday and it's still messy. I don't know, everything just feels so cluttered. We have no space for anything. Our books, we're having to like overstack them already, and there's like even some more in the back. There's just too much going on here, so we're gonna go to Ikea and try to find some storage solutions for this space. I also want to get myself a desk because I've been working more than usual here in the office and I cannot work in a cluttered space, so I'm looking for a desk very similar to this one, what we currently have, which is the one with the drawers on the side. And I might get like a smaller version of this. So we'll see what we find. I also want to see if we can like hide the current cable situation. That looks so messy. And our files are currently stored up there, which is super inconvenient. I need to see what I can find as well for there, because every time I need to find a file or I need to get a specific paper, I have to get a ladder and get up there, and it's not easy. Not easy. All right, kiddos, ready? Look at my house. Oh my goodness, these kids. Are you ready, Matt? You look so sleepy.
Not all of this is our
You still have bedhead, Matt.
Not all of this.
Mommy forgot to brush your hair. What you drinking there? What's that? Matthew, what's this? Is this juice? Juice? Yay!
Mommy, some of my shoes long and I can step on it.
Okay, so we gotta tie those shoes. Alright, we're out the door. So we decided to make a pit stop at Home Goods, one of my favorite stores. Maybe I can pick up some office decorations, but mainly I came here because I have stuff to return. Did you grab the bag from the front? No. I have the keys.
And Tuesdays is their school.
Yes. We just had pizza at this really good pizza place called Two Brothers. And yeah, we're just having a great family day. Right, Mia? So we got out of Home Goods, picked up some really nice stuff, and now we made a pit stop at Misha's Cupcakes.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
You enjoying your cupcake, Matt? Is it yummy? Yummy. Delicious, Mia. We're at Ikea and Matt just fell asleep, which was the perfect timing. Usually in Ikea we spend a few hours, so I mean, can't stay too long because I need my husband to build. What are you doing?
Just look at Sister's little face here.
And there's hubby. Trying to figure out what box he needs to get. I don't know, but that just looks like a lot of boxes.
7, 9, 7, 20.
A lot of boxes equals a lot of building.
Yeah. The worst part about Ikea is building everything.
Yeah. And then I got this really pretty arrangement with, these are fake obviously, eucalyptus leaves. So we have started to clear the office out and we have a disaster going on. So the goal for today is to build everything. You think that's doable?
I don't know.
We have a really big bookshelf, we have a desk, and then we have another smaller storage unit. So my husband's gonna build a bookshelf, and thankfully I'm a wife that knows how to build with instructions. So I'm going to build a small unit and then hopefully I have time to build the desk. But the goal is to build everything, that way tomorrow, because I know we're not going to finish today, tomorrow will be just to organize and put everything back in its place, because my house is looking quite disastrous. Quite messy. Okay, so I got my tools ready. I have my instructions with no words. Let's get started. Alright, so it is day 2, and this is what we were able to organize so far. And then I put things in there just messy, but that's where they're gonna go, just inside a bin. So I'm gonna go to Target right now to get some bins, maybe see if I can find like some filing solution that's not really a file cabinet. I've seen some file stores that are boxes, so maybe I can do that inside the bins. But so far, I love it. And my desk is gonna go over here on this wall. We had originally gotten like one more unit for here, but I don't think we're gonna put it because it's just too much. And the bookshelf was perfect with the amount of storage. I mean, we have room to grow, there's empty spots, so I'm happy. So these are the original ones that I have, but I really like these. I don't even know if that goes together. They have so many pretty ones. Okay, so I found awesome filing boxes in between this one, and this one. Alrighty, so I just got home. I was like 4 hours in the street. I didn't get much because I was looking for a computer chair because this is my husband's chair, and then I went to like 4 different Home Goods trying to find a chair. I found one really close to what I was looking for, but it was beige and I wanted gray, or I don't know, something that's not beige. Anyways, I did end up getting the all gray bins, and then for a filing solution, I got these very simple ones at the Container Store. It's to put the hanging files. They were pretty affordable, and then I'm just thinking of putting them inside those bins so it doesn't look messy. But I got home and my husband finished building my desk. Super adorable. These things are gonna go inside the drawers. I got this at Home Goods. It was like $8 and it brings all of these. This was also Home Goods, and this was also Home Goods. Alright, so gray bins are in. Now I'm gonna organize all these drawers here. So I just took another quick break because I need to eat some lunch. Well, this is like dinner. My husband made curry chicken, and this is store-bought naan bread, and this little dip is so good. Perfect combo. Thanks, hon. Alright, so we're almost done with the office, but now we're trying to decide. What happened, Matt? We're trying to decide what greenery we should add up there because this room is now too white, so we have to add some pop of green. So we're between this one, that one, or these right here. Okay, so we made our decision and we're gonna go with the eucalyptus leaves, because that would mean that I would take away these plants from like 3 different places in our house, and those 3 places need greenery as well, so we're gonna go with that one, our original plan. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm gonna get this room cleaned up, and as soon as I'm done, I'll show you an after. I might show you the before and after right behind each other, because there's a huge difference in this room. Now we come in and it's like, oh my god, you feel just so relaxing now. Everything's just white and clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video.